all answer to a politician, the entire structure. Of course, the IGP is there as a figurehead, but the IGP ultimately answers to the police council. And I'm saying that because you say that the collation chaos happened after the swearing in. If that is true, then you must also take responsibility for failing to maintain law and order.
So that is why it's important that our institutions are supposed to be impartial. That's why it's important our institutions are supposed to be professional. So are you trying to tell me that the reason why the police failed to provide security for us to complete the collation of the 3 outstanding police stations was because they were working under the behest of this government? That's why they failed to provide security. If by analogy that is what you mean, that's so it is deliberate that the NDC government has given instruction to the police not to provide security. That's why we couldn't complete the 3 outstanding police.
Well, the
police
EC said that
because they said they needed security, and the security is under, as per your knowledge, it's under the instruction of the president.
Ultimately.
And in any case, I'll go back to the pronouncement by the court on January 4th, 2025. The court made an explicit pronouncement that EC, we are giving you an order of mandamus. Go and collate the outstanding police stations and declare the results. The court never said, go and do a rerun. So there's a difference between go and collate and go and do a rerun. So
but if that's the case, the EC should be in contempt of court.
Exactly, that's the point.
But why are you not in court making the case?
That is the point.
So why are you not
that
in court making
the point I'm driving at.
No, but why are you not in
and
court
that
making
is why
the
we are in court.
But you're not in court making a contempt of court argument.
But do you know do you know the details of our writ?
At least from what I've read, it's first of all an interlocutory injunction.
Yes. So
to stop the EC
so
from proceeding.
Do you know other strategies that we have put in place?
You tell me.
So I'm telling you, we are in court, and the EC has been cited for contempt. The EC has been cited for contempt of court because the directive from the court was explicit. Go, collate, and declare. And you cannot vary the order of the court. Even if in any case you had even legitimate concerns that the directive that the court has given is unenforceable, the only remedy is to go back to the court to get a further directive or a varied directive. It does not lie on the EC to conduct elections and after elections sit in the office and say that for convenience sake, but based on their own extensive investigation or knowledge, we are going to do a rerun. And that would be a bad precedent for this country. There's a reason why the EC's work is to conduct elections. But anything that departs from after conducting elections, which involves even rerun everything, it is only the court of competent jurisdiction that can give that directive. It does not lie so much on the EC to decide that we are going to do a rerun. And that is why the party is citing the EC for contempt.